Draw with us, Santa Dog.
Welcome to another episode of Paint with Us. Today we're going to be making a cute Christmas dog. I'm going to start with my light brown color and I'm going to color a furry ball. Okay, furry ball. It's okay if there's going to be some holes on the inside. The furry ball. This is going to be the face. Little dog. I'm going to get a dark brown to draw in the nose. And the mouth. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm going to add in a few strokes of fur. You can use different browns for this. Maybe I'm going to choose a lighter beige just to go over. Okay, so just create strokes. Okay, as long as your fur is growing out. Cover the top of the nose. Out. Fur going out. Fur going out. Okay. And then I'm going to choose a slightly darker brown. And this is going to be the ears of my dog. Now, this little dog is going to be wearing Santa Claus costume. So this is a costume. Next, I'm going to go with the shirt. Okay, create two V's on two sides. Okay. Slightly longer T at the bottom. I'm going to put in the legs. The legs can be furry, so I'm gonna mess up the edge a little. And I'm gonna find a slightly darker color just to color the bottom of the belly. Okay. Spread back legs. Yeah, the leg at the back. Okay. Get some white. Get some furry here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a nice Christmas cap for him. I'm going to have a, let's see. Nice, with the elf-like cap. Add some patterns on his cap. Hat. and a tiny pom-pom at the top. Last thing, I'm going to add in his eyeballs. Okay, in his eyeballs, I'm going to leave a little bit of spot of white in there. And I'm going to add 2 nostrils. Okay. Okay. I am going to add in a little bit of darker fur around his face. Okay, where the ears are, a bit of darker fur on the back legs. Alright. Next, I'm going to add in a small little line on the nose. Okay. I'm going to, in the background, pink. I'm going to mix a little bit of a darker color at the bottom. You can add any darker color to your pink and brush it at the bottom of your dog for a little bit of shadow. And I'm going to get some white and add some snow into the background. And I'm done.
Festive Studio Online Academy.